The best assets to buy are things that rich people want. So one of those assets would be real estate or property. Not just any real estate or property is a wise investment. Thinking of it in terms of what would rich people want, they would want great location, waterfront property, prime mountaintop real estate. This ensures that your value is going to be at the top tier at all times. By you having prime pieces of real estate that rich people want, you ensure your longevity in that market. What other things do rich people want that can be viewed as assets? Well, one is exotic cars. Not all cars are assets. In fact, most cars are liabilities. Some of these exotic cars hold value, and if not hold it, they accumulate with value over time as well. So another example of an asset that rich people would want would be collectible timepieces, luxury timepieces. Top three would be Rolex, AP, and Patek Philippe. There's intrinsic value to certain pieces, whether that be the brand name, the model, the year, the color, the combination of colors. Reasonable assets to look at that rich people are always going to want. One is going to be BTC, Bitcoin. And the reason I just specified Bitcoin is because it's decentralized. It's the only truly decentralized store of value. The reason why I say to get in now on Bitcoin is because just the concept of a millionaire wanting the same thing as another millionaire, they're all going to want at least one Bitcoin. There's not at least one Bitcoin. There's not even a half a Bitcoin to go around for everybody. So especially with all the coins that are already allocated as of now. So we're just talking super hypothetical here. I'm going to wrap it up on the final point here with gold and silver. It's a perfect hedge against inflation. Having a small percentage of your portfolio, even if it's 5%, gives you room for a bunch of upside if economic things ever change. That's a list of assets that I would start looking at. So I know not everyone can go out there and afford a mansion. The more desirable by the more wealthy, the higher the potential for a higher profit margin there is. So these are all ways to think, but you want to understand that by pushing yourself in the beginning to get that extra something, that luxury, you're going to protect yourself over the long run, and you're potentially going to set yourself up for higher gains in the long run. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions about this, leave it in the comments below. I answer them myself. Make sure to check out the website, hichris.com. It's got a lot of great resources in it. There's free courses, there's coaching. Follow the channel, like, subscribe, help support any way you can. Thanks.